So welcome back guys. Here in this last lecture, if we see here the result for it, then it's showing the 356 pixels and tall 493 wide, and it has three color channels as well. So let's go back to the editor and these channels actually look individually instead of together in one image. To do this, we are going to type here just we need to split it height and width and channels is equal to color dot shape, and here the blue, green, red is equal to CV2 dot split the color. So here this command will split our channel of color image into each of its component as individual matrix. Now we are going to create an image matrix called the RGB underscore split and equals to np.mpt. What is this mpt? Basically, note that here is the new numpy command called mpt, which will create an uninitialized array matrix. This is the fastest way to create the matrix, but it will have non-set values. So before you initialize the values of this mpt, it may be look a little bit strange. So here what we are going to pass it through the height and the width. So and if we pass it through, means like for the means like the three channels here. So and also the type for the uninside integer for this 8, indicating it will be the value from 0 to 256. We want to show each of these channels as one of these sections of newly created RGB split matrix. To do that, we need to do it the RGB split, and here if we see the colon and open slice and then colon, and here we are and then the open slice, we are going to use all the height, and then we are going to indicate zeros to the width of the single image. So like 0 and width here, and now that is equal to what we are going to here, the CV2 dot merge, and then we are going to pass in our first channel. So here what is it? Height, width, sorry, no, here the first channel would be the blue and blue. It's like B, that would be our first channel here. So the list format, this will then place our blue channel fully on the left hand side of our image. Next, let's do the RGB underscore split for the next one. So let's move to the next one, that is the colon. Here the just we need to start from the width of it, and then width multiply by 2, and which is equal to CV2 dot merge, and here we need to pass the channel G, G and G. And for the third one channel, just we are going to do it the colon and then width multiply by 2 because it's shown in a parallel to it, and then width multiply by 3 here and equal to cv2 dot merge, and here we need to pass through the channel r comma r comma r here. So now we just needs to show show the channels with this, and here just we need to the channels RGB split, passed at RGB split, and now cv2 dot move window, and here just we need to pass through the channels and 0 and then height. So now let's save it and move to the terminal here, and then call the function, call the our class here again, and see here. So here it is saying that the CV, sorry, we have just CV2 here, 2, we not saved it properly. So here we go. And if we see here, if you see here, oh sorry, if you see here, it create the channels like here. If you see the results by using this indicator, it's important to understand that the red, green, blue paradigm is an additive method of combining color. You will note that the get white, you have a maximum value in each channel, so you will not the white on the butterfly appears white in all the images. But if you look at the middle channel, you can see, for example, that the leaf is the most highlighted color. That is because that is the largest value of the green here appearing, and the other one is the red and the blue colors on the right and the left side. If you see respectively, they are much darker. And then here just we need to press here, and then it will be the gone, the escape button, and then we will move forward to the next lecture of it.